Crews with the Missouri Department of Transportation and its design-build team are preparing to close the southbound U.S. Route 61 exit ramp to westbound I-70, shown here in green, in early August until approximately late September 2025. This work is part of interchange improvements being made to the I-70, I-64, and Route 61 interchange included in the Improve I-70 Warrenton to Wentzville project. This project will add a third lane in each direction and make other improvements to I-70 between Warrenton and Wentzville. Crews will close the southbound Route 61 ramp to westbound I-70 for ramp bridge rehabilitation work and ramp widening. This will ensure that the bridge lasts its intended service life and will also allow crews to construct new ramp pavement in the area. While the ramp is closed, motorists will need to follow the posted detour or seek alternate routes. The posted detour will advise motorists to exit southbound Route 61 to eastbound I-70, then exit eastbound I-70 at the Route A and I-70 interchange, and then enter back on to westbound I-70. During this time, crews will also close the Lutkin House Boulevard ramp to westbound I-70. However, the Lutkin House Boulevard ramp to eastbound I-64 will remain open. These closures will be in place until approximately late September 2025. Motorists are advised to use caution in the area, obey the posted speed limits, and to buckle up and put their phones down. Improve I-70 Warrenton to Wentzville is the second in a series of projects that will add a third lane and make other improvements to I-70 across the state. Construction of this project is anticipated to be complete in late 2028. Total program completion is anticipated by the end of 2030. For more information on Improve I-70 projects, visit www.modot.org/improveI-70.